Let's talk about how do we stage the patients with multiple myeloma. The most important prognostic index that we have are the beta 2 microglobulin level. As you know, that beta 2 microglobulin is part of the one of the chains of the immunoglobulins. So their overproduction or their level in the serum is the most important prognostic index, and that gives us a good indication of the patient's survival. If the beta 2 microglobulin level is increasing, then that is a worse prognosis. Along with that, we have also used the serum albumin, and based on these indices, we have an international scoring system. You don't have to go into the details of how do we score these patients. The important thing for you to remember is beta 2 macroglobulin level is the major prognostic index. Along with that, serum albumin level is helpful. And in the increasing stages of these patients, like as you can see that in stage 1, we have a serum beta macroglobulin level less than 3.5 milligrams per liter. But in stage 3, the beta 2 macroglobulin level is greater than 5.5 micrograms per liter. So the beta 2 macroglobulin level is a major prognostic index. Along with that, by using the serum albumin level and the viscosity index, we have staged the patient in various staging criteria, stage 1, 2, or 3. So this scoring system is helpful in basically giving us a good prognostic index, and also can help us in monitoring the treatment of the patient. So the important take-home point from this slide is that beta 2 macroglobulin level is the major thing that is used to stage the patients in multiple myeloma, and it gives us a good prognostic index. This is what I want you to remember from this.